All right, today we're going to bring a swimming pool, waterfall, and this is actually for above ground pools. All right, it comes with all the attachments you need. We're not going to necessarily need this. We already have the one half. All right, so we have that set up. All we got to do is set this up, but we are going to have the cap on the other side because we do have a hole that we have out, and this unfortunately does not feed from the inside. You have to feed it from the outside, so we're going to do that and set it up. So this part's going to go inside because it has a pole grip, right? So we do that, we set one up, won't go anywhere. We're going to put the holes there. All right, so we're going to disconnect our current one, and unfortunately I don't have anything to stop the water from coming out, so we do have a cap that I'm going to cap this one. All right, cap. We'll put this one in here. We got that set. Now let's set it up and see how it works. So we'll put the camera here. The setup came with screws on loose, so just make sure you tie these up, and that's it. I don't have any water leaks here. I'm using my existing sand pump, but you can set up anything you want to actually start sharing this with others' devices too, which is great. Now I do sacrifice my pump here for a bit in my cleaner. But look at this, guys. For a party, you can have it for 1 day or two, have it out, adjust this how you want, tie it up. This is pretty awesome. You guys can see it. Water came out, it's coming out perfect. It's jamming. Let's make sure it's throwing water. It's gonna oxygenate the water. This is perfect if you have fishes or coil or any kind of sea creatures that you need oxygenate the water. This is perfect to actually bring splashes, have some fun, have the kids go underneath of it.